Quickcept. Concepts that click, quick.
Cell structure and functions. Have you ever observed a mason making a wall? He carefully places one brick over another, joining them with cement until the entire wall stands strong. Just as a wall is made of bricks, all living organisms, whether plants, animals, or humans, are made of cells, the tiny building blocks of life. Trivia time. Can you guess how many cells your body has? A. Thousands. B. Millions. C. Trillions. That's right, trillions. You are practically a walking universe of cells. All cells have three essential components: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the cytoplasm. The cell membrane is a thin, flexible layer that surrounds the cell and protects its internal components. It is selectively permeable, allowing only certain materials to move in and out of the cell, thus keeping the cell safe. At the center of the cell lies the nucleus, the control center of the cell. It is enclosed by a membrane called the nuclear membrane, which allows the exchange of molecules between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. The nucleus contains a network of chromatin fibres made of DNA and proteins, which carry genetic information. When a cell divides, chromatin fibers condense into structures known as chromosomes. The nucleus also contains the Nucleolus, which produces ribosomes. The jelly-like substance surrounding the nucleus is called the cytoplasm. It holds all the organelles in place and provides a medium for chemical reactions to occur. Let's take a tour of the tiny organelles inside the cytoplasm. Lying next to the nucleus is the Endoplasmic Reticulum, ER, a network of membrane-bound channels. The ER helps in the synthesis of proteins and lipids. The proteins and lipids formed in the endoplasmic reticulum are transported in small vesicles to the Golgi apparatus or the Golgi body. The Golgi apparatus is like a cell's post office. It sorts, modifies, and packages proteins for use inside or outside the cell. The mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell. During a process called cellular respiration, the mitochondria produce ATP molecules that provide energy for all cell activities. Trivia time. If your cell were a city, what would mitochondria be? A. The power station. B. The library. C. The water tank. Yes, the power station. The lysosomes, often called the garbage collectors, digest waste materials with the help of digestive enzymes. Although plant and animal cells share the same basic structure, they differ in three key ways. In plant cells, a rigid cell wall surrounds the cell membrane, providing extra strength and shape. Another important organelle present only in plant cells is the green-colored chloroplast. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and capture sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. Lastly, there are vacuoles, which are fluid-filled sac-like structures that store water and various dissolved substances. Plant cells have a large, centrally located vacuole that maintains turgidity, whereas animal cells usually have many smaller vacuoles. Thus, every cell is like a mini city, with workers, factories, power plants, storage rooms, and security gates. Each part has a unique job, and together they keep the cell alive, active, and functional. So, the next time you think of a wall of bricks, remember, you are also made of millions of little bricks, which are the cells, the amazing building blocks of life.